All right, this will be a bit of a time run because I've got a staff meeting in 7 minutes. So let's smash through it. Cool. We do have to go through all the normal steps to find all these as a function of t, so we know cos alpha. That is 6 meters above ground level. I'm still going to take us from the origin though, that's going to be easier. Just pretending I went through all these steps. We know how to do this. So I'm pretending it took off from the origin. I'll deal with this shortly. Plus 6. No, actually, I'm going to deal with that. Okay, that'll do. So there we go, there we go, there we go, and there we go. Oh, I do know V and stuff and alpha. Okay, we're gonna have to keep going. 24 cos 30. I should know because that's root 3, whatever. So that's 12 root 3 because it's 24 times root 3 on 2. X is VT cos alpha, so it's 24 T cos 30, so it's 12 root 3 T minus 10 T plus 24 sine 30, so sine 30 is a half. We've got minus 10 T plus 12 minus 5 T squared plus 12T plus 6. Okay, that'll do it. I think it's even harder being lazier than it is going through all the proper steps. I suggest you just go through all the proper steps. Show that the Cartesian equation of the path of the ball is whatever that is. So this means t equals x on 12 root 3. Y will then be minus 5 times x on 12 root 3 squared plus 12 times x on 12 root 3 plus 6. Yeah, I can just leave 1 on root 3x. And you know how they don't have the plus 6? We're going to do this just with respect to the origin. Yeah? I keep thinking way too much like physics. D meters is the horizontal distance it's traveled when it strikes the ground. Show that so when it strikes the ground, y is minus 6. Okay, this is where we deal with that. So we've got minus 6 equals negative 5 on 432 d squared. Like instead of x squared, they're letting d be the horizontal distance. D squared plus 1 on root 3d. Okay, I'm going to multiply everything by 432 root d. So I've got negative 2592 root 3 equals minus 5 root 3 d squared plus 432d. No, it's going to be so much easier to times. Okay, I'm going to multiply 432, and instead of timesing by root 3, I'm going to times by 3. Am I missing something really obvious? Okay, it must just be a matter of. No, I'm overcomplicating this way too much. I'm going to rationalize first. Okay, I'm going to times everything by 432. And 432 over 3 is 144. Which means I can rearrange. I've got 5d squared, take 144 root 3d, take 2592 equals 0. You probably do that really quickly. Okay, I've had a long day. D, to find d, I'm just going to use quadratic formula. So I've got negative 144 root 3 plus minus square root of negative 144 root 3 squared, take 4 times 5 times negative 2592 all over 2 times 5. Yeah, that's a calculator job. .8. Now I'm going to put it in again, but with a minus. Now this is going to come out as a negative answer. Can you tell me, are we going to get a negative d? Well, if you think about that, d is the horizontal distance it's rolled. Can it roll? It's not rolling backwards. So we're taking off from 6 meters above the ground. This is still part of the equation we've just come up with, but we're not actually caring about that bit. So we're just going to take this answer. So yeah, we're only taking that answer, okay?